Alhamdulillah, start with it surely. C is for charity, giving to those in need. D is for dua, in every prayer and deed. E is for Eid, a celebration so bright. F is for Fajr, the prayer before light. G is for greed, Assalamu alaikum we say. H is for Hajj, the pilgrimage we make one day. I is for Isha, the prayer